DIY decorators, it is almost fall and it's time to give our summer decor a rest for a little while. Now, if you're even a tiny bit lazy like I am going to show you how to switch out your summer to fall decor with a few simple items. Today, we are making reversible seat cushions and placemats with the help of our friends at Fairfield World. Make sure to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say, hey, Mark, it's time to invite me over for dinner. Are you ready? Let's make some summer to fall decor pieces.
The earliest known use of a cushion is circa 7000 BC in the early civilizations of Mesopotamia. Tablecloths have been adorning dining tables in Europe since the 1st century AD. In the 20th century, bright colors and patterns began to emerge as placemats and used instead of a tablecloth. Sewing patterns from the 1920s through the 1940s called for pre-made bias tape, often called bias binding. Bias binding was most often used to finish edges, though it could be decorative as well.
I'm going to leave a link to Fairfield World and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll enjoy the Big Ass Book of Home Decor, and I'll see you next week. Bye!